Hi, I'm Ryan. I'm from Mourne. We're here in Annalong today. We have a job here that we'd like to show you if you want to follow me. We're going to start with the gates that were done for this job. I'd like to talk you through the specifications that the customer asked for. This is a set of gates that were done for this customer in Annalong. It's a 50mm box section frame in anthracite grey to match the windows in the house and also to match in with the staircase that were done in the house. We added timber for privacy, but we also added these gaps just to let the wind through. We also painted the timber in anthracite grey just to tie in with everything else, or even incorporated the letterbox. This is a staircase that we completed for a job in Annalong. I think it's a beautiful staircase for a beautiful house. This is a steel spine that we manufactured in our workshop in Kilkeel. It's a box section spine. We then made it and sent it away to get powder coated anthracite grey, the same colour as the windows in the house. I think it matches the house really well, tying in with everything else. So the customer in this job wanted to go for oak threads, oak newel posts and an oak handrail. I think that it looks really well with the grey. The handrail is a routed handrail. It just slips down over the top of the glass. Nice chunky handrail, something to grab onto on the way up the stairs. So this was a frameless glass balustrade that we fitted. The way we fitted this job was all the fixings were actually done underneath the floor. The glass was screwed to a piece of timber that the homeowner had put in, and then the floor was brought up to the glass. It just makes it look more seamless.